And we're back to learn CapCut in here, day 115. We can also reshape eyes. Let me just add this clip 2 times directly, and I'm on the top clip. It's highlighted in timeline. I go to video, retouch. Let me close the drop down here for retouch, and then we check the box for auto reshape. Make sure that this drop down is open. We check single person, but you can also apply it to an entire group. And then check the eyes right here. First 2 options are free to use, which is size and distance. So you can make the eyes bigger, smaller, and then further apart or bring them closer together. The next 3 options are pro, features, inner, position, and slant. And whatever you apply here, let me go extreme. It's very stable. If I roll this clip, there aren't any fragments or any glitches. A surprisingly good feature. Once again, if you use the free version, only size and distance is available. The other ones will cost you credits, so keep that in mind. But this is how you can reshape the eyes in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.